Hello students, so here are the selected questions that I ask that you try on the topic of Pythagoras Theorem, selected from exercise 9C. First one, question 3. In triangle STU, ST equals to 712 cm, TU equals to 56 cm, and SU equals to 1/3 cm. Is triangle STU a right angle triangle? Explain your answer. So what do we do here? We have these three lengths. The first thing we want to do is to identify which of these three is actually the longest side. Why do we do that? Because if it is a right angle triangle, then the longest side is going to be the hypotenuse, right? Therefore, by finding the squares of each of the side, we can see if the sum of the squares of the two shorter side is equals to the square of the hypotenuse. That is how we can test if this triangle is a right angle triangle. So quick observation, we'll realize that out of the three lengths, TU is actually the longest length of the triangle. So TU square, we discovered that it is 100/144. However, ST square, which gives us 49/144, and SU square gives us 19. When we add them up, it is actually still less than TU square, which is 100/144. Therefore, by the converse of Pythagoras Theorem, this triangle STU is not a right angle triangle. Question 5. The length of the side A, B, and C of a triangle is given by A equals to m square minus n square, B equals to 2mn, and C equals to m square plus n square. So m and n are positive integers such that m is greater than n. Show that the triangle is a right angle triangle. What we can do is to find the square, okay, of A, B, as well as C. Then we can add the squares of A and B, so we got A square plus B square, and see if they are equal to C squared, right? So A squared, if we were to square it, we have m square minus n square, the entire expression squared. So using the expansion of quadratic, we managed to get m4 minus 2m square n square plus n4. B squared is 2mn, the entire expression squared, so we have 4m squared n squared. Therefore, when we add them up together, we have m4 minus 2m square n square plus n4 plus 4m square n square. And that gives us m4 plus 2m square n square plus n4. Now we will factorize this. We will realize that it's m square plus n squared bracket squared. So this gives us c squared. Therefore, by the converse of Pythagoras Theorem, we have proven that a square plus b square is c square. It is a right angle triangle. Hope you have been successful. Have a nice day.